My friend Vernon has wanted to upgrade his E-Ride Pro ever since I met him. Specifically, he's wanted to buy this, an EBMX X9000. The second he tried my bike, he vowed he was gonna go home and buy this controller.
Oh, it's incredible. You know I have to have one of these now.
But one day later, they announced the newest version of this controller, which is better in every single way. So I texted Vernon, I was like, hey, you might just wanna wait until the newest version is available. And technically, the newest version still isn't available. But I'll give you one guess what's in this box. RevRides was able to hook us up with an X9000 V3 for Vernon's bike. Vernon doesn't even think he's able to order this controller yet. I have a feeling he's gonna be pretty surprised. This whole surprise started when RevRides emailed me. They were like, hey, do you want to review the X9000 V3? And Vern has been talking about this controller for as long as I've known him. So I was like, hey, what if we install it on Vernon's bike instead? And of course, RevRides was like, yeah, sure, do whatever you want, because they're chill like that. I'm pulling up to EZE RIDES right now. That's my buddy Kai's shop. Kai has known Vernon longer than any of us have known Vernon. He is gonna help us with the surprise today. There's Kai. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's Izzy's. Okay, good boy. Good girl. I don't know who you are. Honestly, I don't know who this dog is. I've never met him before. Hey. So this is my idea for the surprise. Basically, I wrote that on the box. I'm about to go meet up with Vernon to go riding. I'll be like, hey, let's stop by EZE Rides. And then when we show up, can you be like, oh, Logan, like RevRide sent you a package.
So just like, hey, I don't know what happened, but I got your package.
Yeah, and just keep it real casual. Like, you sent him a text and you were like, oh, by the way, your controller isn't arriving till like mid-August. I don't think he's gonna have any idea.
He doesn't have an email. He doesn't know what's happening. I think we're good. I think he'll just be like, oh man, you guys are the best. You guys keep me young.
He's gonna say you guys keep me young 100%. He says that all the time. Time to go trick Vernon. I'm down the street from Vernon's house. I basically needed an excuse to get him to hang out and like clear a day, because we still got to install this controller. So I texted him yesterday and I was like, hey, do you want to just go ride some trails? I'm gonna be in the area. It's a Monday, but luckily he's retired. So he said yes. Yo, you ready to ride some trails?
Yeah.
You got your full moto outfit on. Looking good. Oh, full face helmet? Might as well, you know?
Well, you know, the thing is I don't want to kill myself.
Hey, is Briggs here?
Yeah, he is.
Can I meet him?
Yeah, I'll bring him out. He'll get a kick out of him.
Okay.
He's pretty low key.
Okay. Vernon just got a brand new dog, like yesterday. I'm trying to throw Vernon off the trail. I don't want Vernon thinking there's anything coming. Also, I want to meet his dog, so. Oh. Hey, bud. Hi. Oh, you are beautiful. Oh, his coat is super nice. Oh, you see the camera? Oh, yeah, man, he's perfect.
How white his chest is.
Thank you for letting me meet him. We can get him on a bike soon. You know, throw him on a two-stroke, see what happens.
Actually, I'm thinking about getting something that hooks on the back of my Harley so I could take him.
Oh, yeah? He'll need those little goggles. Dude, you're gonna look cool as hell. Thank you. Speaking of, did you end up ordering your controller?
So Kai just sat there and let me know that here's, and in fact I just heard from him just a little bit ago. Just got an email update on your controller. They're arriving 8/10. RevRides will ship them as soon as possible. I'll have one of the first runs.
Okay. RevRides is quick at shipping, so I think they're in high demand, so I think they got pushed back a little bit.
That's all I've been seeing is people talking about these things.
Yeah? Which bike are you gonna put it on?
The one with the decal.
Nice. Which one are you taking today?
This one.
Okay.
Got a little bit more.
Can we stop by EZE Rides?
Absolutely.
Just to see if Kai's around? I know it's his day off. He said he's kind of around today, so maybe you could ride too.
He probably is. I haven't heard back from him.
If he's not there, no biggie. Dude, I don't know what to do. Vernon's bringing the wrong bike. All right, I gotta put on an Oscar-worthy performance. Here we go. Yo! Is Kai here? Yo, Kai!
What are you doing, man? Look at the new helmet.
What do you think?
I like it. Well, somebody's gonna have to save that beautiful face of yours.
You want to ride some trails or something?
Yeah, did you see my text?
No, you just text me?
Yeah, there's a package here for you, I think. I don't know why. But
For me?
Yeah.
Why? From who? He's not biting, dude. Okay, we'll just wait. Is it this one?
Well, I don't know what happened. Yeah, this one's for me. I think this one, maybe they sent to the wrong place.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, I don't know.
I already have. Oh, Kai, no, this is...
I can't wait for this to
Vern, I think this is for you.
What do you mean it's for me?
Look at that.
What?
Oh my God.
No, you're kidding me.
Not kidding you.
This isn't next month. Are you kidding me?
We tricked you.
You're kidding me.
Not at all. RevRides hooked it up. We hit up RevRides. We were like, hey, we want to get a controller for Vernon. We know you're going to order it. Technically, you already did, but they sent it early. So I think you might be the first person with this controller ever.
RevRides covered all of it.
Yeah.
The guys over there hooked it up for you. That's
100%.
all for you.
Yep.
You're kidding me.
No.
So if you want, If you want, we can install it today and go rip. Yeah? Okay, we gotta get your other bike because you brought the wrong bike.
Oh my god.
You better go get your bike. Hey, look how fast your man's turning out.
My life just keeps getting better and better. He says, here, give me your pack. I'm thinking, you know, why does he want my pack? Just go in there, just go in there.
I took your pack off you because in the video, your pack looks like you're rolling over.
You're looking out for
That's
him.
a good friend.
Yeah.
When there's a booger on my friend's face, I'm gonna let him know.
Vern, I'll stay here. I'll get things ready and I'll see you in a second. You guys knocked it out of the park. Well done.
We had to reload a little bit.
Oh my. You're back. That was quick. Whoa.
Oh my god.
It's not every day your friend surprised you with the parts that you wanted.
This is exactly what I wanted. Good.
Not for Vern.
There it is.
Look at that, it's blinding.
It's so shiny. It looks so much different on the back. Mine is much thinner. You can't see all the capacitors at the back. This is like a whole new, they completely redid everything. I think this runs up to 50 kilowatts. What is that? 67 horsepower or something like that?
You're not gonna max it out.
Yeah, yeah.
The amount of power is you're not going to max it out.
And what else we got?
Oh, is that
Oh,
the
That's your
regen?
favorite.
That's your favorite thing? Yeah.
Hey, I'm telling you, this right here will save brakes.
Yeah. Oh, that's your Bluetooth adapter. So that's so you can control everything from your phone. That, I think, is the new display. Mine is all in black and white. I think this one is full color. You remember when I texted you to send a photo of your battery? There were two different versions of the batteries, and we wanted to make sure that we had the adapter, got everything hooked up, so.
You guys are awesome.
Kai's gonna take care of a lot of the mechanical stuff. If you guys need any work on your Suron or your E-Ride or your literally anything electric, come to EZE RIDES. Huge shout out to Kai for all the help. I wanna help. Oh, I have an idea. This is something we can help with. You do all that easy stuff. We will, oh, nice.
Look at that.
Kai, what are you up to? Are you still working on this controller over here?
Yeah, I know, I'm really slacking.
Pick up the pace, buddy.
Put money on it.
We put a bet that you were gonna say one specific phrase, and you haven't.
Don't say it.
I'm not gonna say it. No. I'm just. Maybe you'll say it. Maybe you won't. I don't know.
That's badass.
That's a good guess. It's not that. All right, we're now officially, what, 44 minutes in? Kai has the controller completely installed. Now we're doing the scary battery thing. Doing this because we need to swap out the connector type on Vern's battery. It's not as sketchy as it looks, I promise. We just need to do this. Ooh, look at that.
So lower down so I can add a 7-ounce flywheel and a head on it. I dropped it 50 mil.
See what you mean? It's like more compact,
Right.
you know?
I have a couple more out back if you want.
Really? You got an awesome shop.
Fabrication, me and Kai teach a shop class. Yeah, we teach 4 inner city schools. Out of the 300 kids or so that go through that class, I take 10 of them at a time here and bring them and actually have a full-on welding
Wow.
shop.
Is this a plasma cutter here?
It's a plasma cutter with an arc droid attached to it.
I gotta learn how to weld. Would you teach me how to weld?
Yeah, all day long. No,
Yes.
That's an 03 CR250.
Look at that pipe. Wait, this is my hand for scale. That's crazy.
And this is a EZE 250 down there.
Wow.
This is a KZ 900.
Oh my gosh.
With the CRF 450 front end on it.
What the heck?
I just wanted a really light front end, and I just put the two together.
That's so sick. All right, check in. How's it going?
Put in the last bolt.
Last bolt, literally? Oh, good timing.
Here, you can turn the key, see if I'm good at my job.
Moment of truth. EBMX apparently made a whole new app for this controller. That's how good it is. I'm installing that on Vernon's phone right now. That was sick as hell.
This is red full power.
Holy moly, you finally got your controller, dude. So you go up, 1, 2, 3, race 3. Yeah.
Okay, let's see what it does.
The bar is touching the sky when you hear my ting is coming too wavy. I gotta protect my seat, can't knock girl down.
Ty's taking us to some secret trails.
Too hot, so you got that break.
It's hard to keep up with Vernon when he starts moving.
Try shame me, fame me, wanna be so damn famous. Even Bill Gates gonna ask for a pic.
It's such a fun challenge trying to follow Vern. I don't know if it comes across on video, but he's quite fast on a bike. Oh my gosh. I'm also pretty sure he doesn't get scared. Oh, where's he going? Vernon, what? Hold on, I'm focusing. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, Vernon, that was so scary.
You wanna try that hill climb?
What? Good save. Vernon, does that make you want to do it?
Oh no, I'm not doing that.
I'm not doing that either.
Come on, baby. There we go.
You got it. Oh!
Well, the other thing also is
Deep.
Oh, he's doing it again. Oh no. Come on. Oh, same exact spot. Oh man, it looks like he's having a blast. I cannot thank RevRides enough for supplying this controller. Vern is the most deserving rider to have this thing. He's been wanting it forever and he's already loving it. Wow, oh my gosh, where are we going? Oh, that's a hill climb. Oh my God, he's doing it. How hard is it?
Not be fine.
Really, just straight up?
Yeah, just don't make it.
All right. Oh my God, my tire got buried. Dude, I'm like cursed. I can never do a hill climb no matter how easy it is, I swear. Yeah, the blackberries are not helping. Ow, they're attacking me.
If you would have had a V3, you would have been fine.
You're so right.
They should probably go buy one at RevRides.com.
Do you think they should use the code LOGANG?
Probably.
They could get a pretty sweet discount on a bunch of Emoto parts.
That sounds like a splendid idea.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vern. You're a lifesaver. Oh,
It'll never be the same again.
it won't, dude. There's dust everywhere.
What happened?
His pavement princess got dust on
My
it.
pavement princess.
that's weird. I lost my key.
Key to what?
His bike? That's talent.
Oh no. Oh no, is it gone?
It's weird. It's almost like
I mean, you rode it up here.
How does this happen? When you were clearing the bushes, did it fall out?
certainly somebody didn't run up and grab it.
I don't think so.
When we went down this way, he was right over here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go look for this guy. I really don't know where Vern's key could have gone. He did a hill climb, so he had his key then, I assume. Maybe that guy took it. I'm gonna see if I can find him. Hey there, sir. How are you? Did you just happen to see, we were on our bikes over there, and my friend lost his key for his bike. Did you see anyone?
No, I didn't see you guys go through, but I didn't
Yeah,
see
we
the-
just went by and wanted to
he
check.
lost his keys?
Yeah, we can't seem to find him. Oh, I'm getting a call now. Maybe we
Oh,
found him.
yeah,
Hold
yeah.
on.
Hey, we found the key. You're good to come back.
Okay, we found him.
Oh,
We found him. I'm here with this very kind gentleman. He hadn't seen anything, so I'm glad we found him. We'll see you soon.
Or did they find him laying on the ground or something?
We'll see. I don't
Yeah,
know.
what are those all electric?
Yeah, it's all electric.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
called an E-Ride Pro, and they're just a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, this battery right here can take the bike like 40 miles, and that's me
Is that
riding
right?
fast. And there's no gears, there's no clutch, anything like that. Yeah.
They're making big breakthroughs in what they call sodium batteries.
Yeah.
You go down to the beach and you got sodium.
You got sodium,
You
right?
don't have to dig up everything.
That would be sweet if we could get some better batteries that are more sustainable.
Oh,
What was your name?
Richard.
Richard. I'm sorry, I got my glove on. Here, I'll
Oh,
shake your
that's
hand.
all right.
There we go.
Okay, yeah.
Have a great day.
Okay.
I'll see you around. Yeah, guys, I don't think Richard took the key. Richard is possibly the nicest man I've ever met in my life. So,
The tree stole it. It was hanging off
Oh,
the...
wait.
really?
This is how I stay young. It works.
Oh yeah.
That was the phrase we wanted you to say. Yes. It keeps it young.
It was gonna happen.
We knew it was going to happen today.
We've been trying to keep Vern young for 15 years. How are you?
Great.
I'm 52 and I feel 15. How about that?
Well, I wish that worked for me.
You want to get on?
No, thanks.
Oh, come on!
You guys go ahead.
All right.
Have a wonderful day. Oh man, what a day. Shout out to everyone who supports this channel because we're able to do stuff like this. I can't thank everyone enough. I think Vern's really happy.